What's up, everyone? Next to me, I've got Cody's 2007 STi that we just finished up. And yes, it is an 07. I'm sure you guys are wondering why it's got a blob-eye front end, but it's a Hawkeye. The clip swap was done a while ago and they did a really good job and it looks awesome. Cody came to us with the vision of having a street STi that can punch above its weight, and I feel like we did just that. So in this video, we're gonna go over the build series, starting from the engine build to the tuning and everything in between. So stay tuned and check it out. So when the car first came to us, it had a pretty simple setup on it. All the hard parts were already on it. You had an AMS intake manifold, FP red turbocharger, equal length header, and full exhaust, obviously. So we opted to do the MMS3 long block. So that consists of out front motorsports closed deck cases, forged rods, forged pistons. The cylinder heads are stock V25 heads off an 07 STi. We did run BC cams and their associated valve springs and retainers. We kept the FP red turbocharger on it. We knew we'd run into the ceiling of the fuel system pretty quickly, so we added a Radium fuel pump hanger with two 450s, and then Grant constructed the fuel system leading up to the engine bay. So it's 8 AN PTFE fuel lines, 6 AN return, DW fuel pressure regulator, and that setup's we made a whole bunch of power with, so if you ever decide to turn it up, it's gonna have plenty of fuel. On 26 pounds, it made 568 wheel horsepower, 502 foot-pounds of torque, which is a really good power output for a stock location turbo setup. So with the hot side being a little on the smaller side, obviously not a rotated setup, we kept it a little bit soft to keep the drive pressure down and keep things happy. But overall, I think he's gonna be ecstatic. It runs really good, it pulls hard, and everything is super happy. In the next part of the video, we're gonna go drive the car down the street, AI generated, and kind of show you guys how it reacts to give you an idea of what a 570 wheel horsepower STi in this chassis feels like and runs like. Well, feels like through a video, but runs like in a video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It makes all kinds of glorious sounds. It was really cool that Cody, he's a massive car guy, but he opted for the HKS super sequential blow off valve, and I feel like that just is an awesome touch of this car. It's pure nostalgia. As you guys know, we love GD chassis Subarus here at Misfire, so that paired with the HKS blow off valve is just like amazing. So you guys will get to hear all that cool stuff, and let us know what y'all think in the comments. And so on this car, since it's an 07, it's got the longer gear ratio transmission, which is the 354. So it puts the power down differently than the earlier generations that have the shorter ratio gearbox that are much closer ratios. So 50 to 475 with the really short ratio transmission, even bone stock, they're really fun because the response of shifting all the time makes you know, one with the car. So I enjoy all sides of these cars. I think that they all are extremely fun to drive, and there isn't one that's better than the other. They just have their fits in motorsports, if you will. So here we're going to roll out a second gear. Just kind of show you guys how it reacts. Got that flat foot shift dialed in really spicy.